Converting an image to a PDF using Google Docs is simple and doesn't require any extra software, just your browser and a Google account. Here's how to do it. Start by opening your browser and going to google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. If not, log in or create one. It takes just a minute. Once you're logged in, click on the Google Apps icon in the top right corner and select Docs. Then, open a blank document to get started. Now, click on Insert in the top menu, hover over Image, and choose Upload from Computer. Select the image you want to convert, whether it's a photo, screenshot, or anything else, and click Open. Once uploaded, you can resize or reposition the image. For more flexibility, select Wrap Text at the bottom of the image. Need to add more images? Just repeat the process. When you're happy with how it looks, go to File in the top left corner, click Download, and select PDF document. Google Docs will instantly save your file as a PDF to your computer. And that's it. In just a few quick steps, you've turned your image into a PDF with Google Docs. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it, and let me know what other tutorials you'd like to see. Enjoy creating!